Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and finally I am back. Here is Identity Super Bundle, but these are protected password in Google Play Store. Right, Sheri SK, and by now for lifetime all password in this app. Here is my Facebook page, follow me on WhatsApp, and last is my Telegram channel Sheri SK official. You can join me. I will provide every link of video first here. Okay, these files are Adobe Illustrator. Here is Mega Branding Bundle Business. Here is a Brow. Here is Present Mega Branding Bundle. Okay, with different categories here: clay, cope, t-shirt, invoice, fax paper. No need fax paper. Okay, here is Office ID card. EPS file. You can remove it and add your own details. Recent folder, CD, shopping backpacking, complaint card, letterhead, invoice, t-shirt, cap, clock, mug, pen, car, and here is wallpaper. Last is Facebook thumbnail. These files are PSD for Photoshop. You can change it. Next is master business. Here is 24 folder. Last is Facebook cover, master wallpaper, so you can change it. Shopping bag, create your business card. Okay. Here is 25 pen. Oh, letterhead, flare. These files for Photoshop, you can edit it. Present Mega Bundle. Here is 25 folder. All files are same but with different design. Present cap. Oh, I hope these data are useful for you, and download this app for password. Take care. Allah Hafiz.